them. Among Serge Milinkovic Savic.
Yes.
And you on the Sabo no one more Europe say across Saudi.
One particular player pa na G2 pa say Malaysia Osanki who know the Spanish La Liga or even the English Premier League or top club or both Champions League year in year out. The quality in the Abu Dhabi. So when you say catch one particular midfielder box to box rule, let me say ni Jumedi so ni pa. The number of assists why the number of goals are what me ashena. Utimi hwe numbers in this anu abusa say it last you boni. Ana kokosi aka wo bebu franka de na ko betimi aye e de atra ko betimi aye amana bro so kra but nei Abu Dhabi de keka kone de abrante ne ba kosi aka e wo ye Saudi Arabia e de ama aye club Al Hilal e ho ana ko kosi aka asat enra the latest on Milankovic Savic no na ejina se Lotito complain say 50 million euros and anko here but Al Hilal fosi kan no de buy na less than 50 million euros it document in the company na anko nyan sign kra muntimi fa brante ne mane nkosi aka we Al Hilal na enum na no pay latest science aka ne say document ni bibia ready 40 million euros fixed fee 40 million euros fixed fee documents are ready omabu Al Hilal ebuki the medicals of Serge Milankovic Savic say omra na omeye na afei na bi omo sign documents ni nyina wie na se bibia official maloti to the pensi paper no so we are then no travel akwakoye medical so booking within the next 24 hours.
Oh, okay.
So within the next 24 hours Abranti will be signing 3 years deal at the Ama Al Hilal. Afibia obenya 20 million euros plus add-ons.
Saudi why do?
Why the for 3 years. Obenya 20 million euros per every single year, which means 60 million euros over 3 years no. Adodon de kakra so ye dey. Oh ho an so betimi anya. It documents ni na ready and no pelotito e the pen in to say tra e sign you ya. I last sign your part in the next 24 hours. Milankovic Savic e be the medicals e the ama ahila akoyo player. Na Paul Pogba ana Juventus ama we are seeing na ya we say 10 million euros o de ba obejana manaba. Em say Branty we free Manchester United no catch omo say okwa ko prove ya che we are seeing na say Manchester United ye mistake. So mujai no say onko no nkosi akan e fama e agoka awe team fufro na enumu na Branty o travel free Saudi Arabia e be PA Italy enu anwumre ana obedru Italy ni nyina ne say okọ Jeddah na okọ eni nyina na ye say anopay information na yenya Abu Dhabi ni say omo ofa no 100 million euros for 3 years
100 million euros
for 3 years Pogba iti okọ Jeddah na ohwehwe kromo no me say de hosititie mebo ama Al Ittihad anase meko Al Hilal ana ohwem din no hweti mo ba kosi akan de ama no na okoye na me se wa amakwa oba no susu ni sika do sopo ene e de aso Pogba o de ababepie mu ye Italy na oba ene no ne o ma ba betena se omo ba bedwendwen ho aba behu se 100 million euros no di se fata se onje no kosi akan e wo ye Saudi ana ono so hu no se ba bia waduru no nyanduru pempe so go back to Saudi o hu say he has a lot. So the Bema Juventus na so do ato apampantri so I say 10 million euros the Obia and Fambe foul and around Europe say no none of the top clubs are willing to buy Pogba as a stance because of the injury record. It me assure say within the next few days and what is a Pogba aja to me so because Saudi Arabia na kwakusi akanya Abu Dhabi for 100 million euros for 3 years there me say Abranti na nkasa de ja na wo so timija wono medical na ye remu ewo Kylian Mbappe issue most amount for bisa o question de bia Kylian Mbappe yeah train Kylian Mbappe response and Paris Saint-Germain the pressure seen so then they are still talking they are more catching say massa foul response Fabre oh tina na say wo ye the foul response in Fabre and then no more train na omo train akosi Friday ko remu Saturday na Abante we am fa reply bi am fa ba next week be rest assured so the price tag but to Kylian Mbappe so
omo de bo beba e wo apeni bia ba kasi na fa ana Real Madrid so twen se bo ne beba ma hu sa man for so bisa na Real Madrid ni ska na Real Madrid de so omo ton na Real Madrid bi entisa Real Madrid do ska guje ba bia Abu Dhabi omo twen se omo timi dia sign e Habrati fe ne Kylian Mbappe over the course of time Real Madrid spend the bomb spend the bebre gidi ana omo sa ton Real Madrid are active sellers in the market most of their players na 2 years e was anka omo 30-31 are all kwa I was saying commuting ton maybe about 20 million euros. Real Madrid me ton 50 million euros, 60 million euros. So on their books,
they've made a lot of profit and they have money there. Say they omuka somba befa Kylian Mbappe. But no just on betwea over the odds. Real Madrid am Matias says I want 200 million euros no ga Canada on pay be kran fan.
Oh na player can 1 year.
So kran fan
200 million euros ya.
Na intimi anya adwuma fan momo. Iti Real Madrid twen say Paris Saint-Germain de ball beto so, and they are always ready for anything that will come out. Kylian Mbappe na PSG airborne pressure. Say making the decision in term. Iti by next week, who's the price tag down so that means your decision no. Unyanka bibia nchero mo no mo de boy dey. Atono. Then you move on to Vlahovic. Vlahovic, Medikaka said the first in common course between Chelsea and Juventus about Vlahovic, Pulisic. Any Loftus-Cheek deal and never honor that. But Pulisic, Wakako Pimo Milan, Wakako in the medicals, and the Amaya AC Milan. Oyeria or best signing official documents as AC Milan player. Loftus-Cheek already. Or AC Milan player, and AC Milan are not even looking forward. Say almost so be pay a Chelsea player be an Abibisa and I'm going to striker for. Despite someone for so cast Vlahovic, AC Milan so to tell honey baby. AC Milan concentration in May pa Tijani Reinders. Oh no, nobody kind of 20 million euros a day. Now 20 million euros no cry. Now come out for say there be shot. Or more 25 from that means fixed fee in year 20. Now 5 million euros na nye add-ons no mo fambe so aso and na AC Milan eguso anu omo tin kunya no ye de edin komo but nipa na ni abre Vlahovic ho pop person sign the crown na enyanko detailed no Paris Saint-Germain na ono na pe Dusan Vlahovic na Abu Dhabi just exploratory talks and nobody can done ye no wo mo kwa no ma bebusa we ni price they saying the 170 saying the injury record is saying and a list of players on that particular book on person mo sign a striker which Victor Osimhen inclusive per that particular squad no person motimi egado mo nyina mo besi akande mo eyomo it Vlahovic in Chelsea then come on the way back crab stand currently there is nothing between Vlahovic and Chelsea. There is nothing. The Paris Saint-Germain and explorative talks. There is nothing between Vlahovic and AC Milan too. PSG pay and akwa anymore. And Ukraine anymore say club to club. Commodity nketinketi no mo different.
Omo de ne pass on be replace you bia na ze.
On say Lionel Messi a free Paris Saint-Germain. The name so ni prasem ne contract issue sem no Ukraine say the NCP. Then omo nye too sure about Mbappe. On also no, and they need a number 9. Typical out and out striker number 9. And no more here ni say list no. So when you see men more, me 12 Vlahovic mo side no matter. No more betima ko so mo sa betima ka player friend Vlahovic amana besiaka. Paulo Dybala. Chelsea ankasa ni yeso Roman nkomo baby a.
Omuni Roman di nkomo baby.
Chelsea ni yeso Roman nkomo baby a. And Chelsea ankasa na explore edidin komo we chiri Pochettino na I explore the likeness for Abrante for the Paulo Dybala. But anything serious being free Chelsea won't call the camp of Paulo Dybala. Yentiase. Nothing serious. The BBN way serious if free Chelsea or akọ Paulo Dybala. But we say Enzo Fernandez akọ ye interview. Say what texted Paulo Dybala saying con joining with Chelsea no be see kind your man ko from. Yes, it might be there, but between club to club and club to player entourage no. Bibia seriousness and course between Chelsea and Paulo Dybala entourage so wabisi akai e de amomo. That is where it stands. It Abu Dhabi. If within the next few days in the Chelsea making it serious, they will know by Chelsea priority as it stands currently. Moises Caicedo and the contract extensions of Levi Correa. And no Chelsea priority is here so more pray so beti me Bayern Munich so pressure Kawaka or more pressure Kawaka seriously
Bayern for no
pressure seriously. City so am my aware so mun your madrin so beton. City wants to keep Kawaka because I know pay replacement for right back and a break a cry a day. And no more the standard of Kawaka nothing shows is so cool. Bayern Munich so no open more priority so more striker more right back because Benjamin Pavard every few on man day ako and they need someone or out and out right back as no third name boss center back obetima ba be obetima ba be and omuji tum say Kawaka fit that particular bill Kawaka ka yes e dey ache by Munich but as to say City so ebegia tum say ye ja Abrante na so mbesi akan fama no e ho any problem no City or find a new contract say on signing na on tina. And any amount of money you hear biano, the fact that bro or wage bill on the sono, Abu Dhabi they are ready. So ultimately, Oba Chelsea Peru Manako. Also by returning pre-season on 17 July. Lukaku now it was supposed to be a net, and also Lukaku returning for pre-season. But Lukaku ama, and an agreement between the club and Lukaku, and you say Lukaku no na sheda. Club and say Lukaku 17 July. The same day, no, they are PM America Obama Young. omo di nkomo Saudi Arabia so beja abrante kwa amanako but deal looks a shady kakra na no mu na Kolomwani na amafo ni abre no ye be fa Kolomwani Frankfurt atena se ehunu se da bi Kolomwani ne kura na mo pre no no ye ho mpre bi se be ton ni bi
aizi omo person be ton no
omo ho mpre omo so matena se ahwe boy ni data ahwe statistics bi ni nyoma bi a fa ne ball no ho from last season na adeba omo di to me se pen the age no omo ma ne ball one season kan wa obeya abro sa
no mu be pija
ama omo ogidie say Euro 2024 when Mbappe ne be strike of France anymore.
Oh, okay.
It will come sa tournament ni bia per statistics ni no man tournament ni kwa be say bi no so more. It ni omo sika na omo pay between 120 million euros ni be 150 million euros no. Abu Dhabi. Kolomwani de bebre omo. It omo relax say kura say wa pay Kolomwani bia no de nya abotre train relax. Na ye di abrante ni woni mugidi se obetima bibi e di amai AS Roma fa abrante friend Rasmus Christensen on loan amana kwa kosi akan e di amamo for Leeds United is done deal abrante na kwakobo under coach Jose Mourinho inaso ana Newcastle for akote 10 kakra Newcastle akote 10 Newcastle needs a centre back it was the area Sasi ya onu nisi akan ma Monaco o manage no so ombeti ma fa no na ina so dia no issue no ejina Sikasema Sporting Lisbon epe they believe when we experience war the higher level ana wait me abo as a left center back as me abo as a right center back ni me enu nyina ba bi ade ne betu bi obeti me abo and omo believe say we talent no so we anim wo so Liverpool center back we one player or molest ni so bi oko Manchester United na so per left footed center back and I say or per right footed center back and opo bi obetima boni mienu nyina abante we wo list ni so bi so tare so most of the top clubs in Europe na Abu Dhabi abante we say that list ni so it ko mu tane mane ba ke betimi abo mo now they've shifted their focus na who say am focus be omo per right back is there omo didi nkomo left back omo pe bi amana ba be she dan ben na nine and okra mo makwa kopie mu Inter Milan akwa explorative talks around Dimarco. Omako did not necessarily serious, but Omako bisa Dimarco won't seem to say because they need a left back. Omwe Dan Ben level now. No Ukrainian Yamian is a Champions League. Go to Dan Ben Bishia, Obiti Rodrigo, Mudi, Omit Mine, and Waduma. So they need a left back there. But Omudi Tums Omunya center back with Maneba, Abu Dhabi, Nyoma Betimaku, Yamomo. So there has been an explorative talks between Newcastle United and Sporting. As to some of the official bid bekono omo twetwe omo na ase kakra omo pese omo deal with omo way structure bi ni omo sika sembi according to FFP ansa no maba full force say omo ba be fire abrante fan Gonzalo Ignacio amana ba be si akan e de amom ti Newcastle will explore this particular deal very much seriously.
Yeah, Amrabat the
omo busa me na Amrabat na oba na Amrabat oba be then kure wo na na say Amrabat Eric Ten Hag nya na ope
onya na ope o de ne ba be yi juma ben yi
when your friend no susumu person wona memre.
Oh, okay.
Coach na nkasa nyako pe ba assistants when your priority the Manchester United. I'm about in your priority. Manchester United will ever top midfielder for this or Maton Fred. And Maton Scott McTominay. And Omo jab one of the players in the coin say wonko. A bit say goalkeeper issue say no. David here ko and almost say Dean Henderson coin. Dean Henderson company Nottingham Forest company a green light for Manchester United keke. Say price na mo dey ban ye sum and one no. Abante neba kusi akan dia momo but I'm about to the end there a bit more happen unless the second part of the window which is July ending getting into August and I'm about to do ni bit me ti wo mo bisa me na I'm about no no currently as it stands currently Manchester United pursue serious deal for Rabat on person mo sort out Andrew Onana when they are done on be sort out almost strikers issue with Hoyland then after that no on ton players bia then they'll come and concentrate on Amara.
Mate, now other McAllister over Liverpool.
Oh, McAllister say a shredder you may do.